Welcome to 3 Minutes Fix. In this video, we will see how to fix restricted app detection not working in Dooo Movie App when you go to helperutility.java file in your project. You can see that restricted app code is disabled by developer. We don't know exact reason for disabling, but I safely assume that it's good to enable it for safety of your app. You can uncomment the lines and build the APK. There is no other changes required to make. Everything looks fine except that build config import issue. Most of the case, it will be auto-generated by Android Studio while you're trying to build your app. If you face this issue, I recommend you to try using Make Project option under the Build menu. This is time-saving, and when you found the app-generated build config file, you can start building app as shown in video. Our app is ready to launch. To test our app, detect the restricted apps. I have installed one package capturing app on my Android device. Let's see if we get a pop-up message or not. And here we go. It detected we have some restricted app installed on our device. This asks us to uninstall before using our application. Let's do it and see if the conditions are working fine. Yes, conditions are working fine and it's launching the app without issue. Hope this short tutorial was helpful in fixing the issue. We will see more on some customization tutorial if possible. I will create a tutorial guide on installing Dooo app in future if there is a larval updates. Thanks for watching.